We are now looking at Prep Test 63, game number 1, question number 3. This one is very similar to question number 2. It is yet again asking us which of the following cannot be true. And so in the same way, we are going to pull up our chart of rules and our master diagram and just try out each of the answer choices until we find one that doesn't work. So answer choice A, J and M both in the appellate court. And if you look at our master diagram here, it's obvious that there is not space to place both J and M in the appellate court. So this one's already looking pretty good. We got lucky there. But let's really quickly check the other ones just to be sure. Is it possible to put both J and M over here in the trial court? Absolutely. Why not? So that can't be our answer. Is it possible to put both M and O in the trial court? Sure. There you go. Is it possible to put both M and P in the appellate court? Absolutely, because we can choose P here in our first pair and then place an M into our blank space. So we're still in the realm of possibility. And finally, can we put both M and P in the trial court? Absolutely. Here's our M, there's our P, if we were to select H over here instead. So all of those other ones are possible scenarios, and that leaves A as the only impossible scenario.